Hi, today is May 5th, 2020. Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We're going to go through the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bars of the Pathetique, the Adagio. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, makes me cry every time I hear this piece of music. Okay, and I'm just going to play it very slowly and talk through it as I'm playing it. Okay, the screen I want you to see is going to be this one. Oh, I wish I could get smaller. Okay, that'll have to do. All right, this is it. So what's really important is kind of, your tonality. We're in the key of A flat. It's always good to start with the scale. And then maybe some chords. So you get kind of the sense of your chords, right? Okay. This is a pretty diatonic song, meaning, you kind of stay in the key. Anyway, cantabile means sungable. So this is such a gorgeous melody that they actually made a pop tune out of it later. And if you knew how painful Beethoven's life was, you would really understand, you would really see the beauty coming through this music. So we're going to put our hands in this position: E flat, A flat, C, 1, 3, 5 in your right hand, and your left hand is on A flat. Okay? In fact, first I'm just going to do the right hand. So I'll play it really slow. That's kind of the first part. Measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Measure 5, you've got this little, it's very, very, what's the word? Contrary to what you've been taught with fingering. But I'm going to play 5, 4. 5, 4, 5. That's really important fingering. Okay? Your left hand, 1, down to G. When I was on that E flat, I switched my fingers so I could reach down to E flat down there. And then it's not cheating, but I'm switching my fingering so that I can go down to D flat, up to D flat, and then C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat. So you hear the harmony. Okay, so let's play it together. Little crescendo. Come back down. Little crescendo. And come back down. Quiet. Now we have triplets. Triplet, triplet. And then we resume the melody, the theme. We're going up an octave. And now we're playing this melody chord on the bottom, that interval. So in your right hand, you're playing an octave C against an E flat, B flat, A flat. Sorry. Nice and quiet. Little crescendo. Same fingering again, 5, 4, 5. And then we want to play this really expressive. So both hands, or let's just do your left hand there. So we're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Measure 9, your left hand. Now, if you notice, you've got 16th notes on top, but you've got quarter notes on the bottom. So you have to hold those quarter notes. Sorry. And this is retarded. Oh my God. I didn't say that. That's a retard. Okay, hands together at measure 9 sounds like this. I'll take it from the triplet from here. And that's the first 16 bars. Now I'm going to play it through once without stopping. Let's see here. Screwed up. One more time. Sometimes you go too slow, it screws you up. You always want to bring out the melody. Okay, that's it. I'm going to redo this, but for now, that's what it sounds like, kind of, without the mistakes.